should take back, first of all, you should take back your word saying that it is a fake certificate. You are not a judge. The court of law has not pronounced these certificates as. Don't laugh. And I'm telling you this because you are trying to usurp the power of a judge, the power of a court. Matter is in the Delhi High Court. It is the Delhi High Court which will pronounce the judgment whether the
Assutoss, what are you doing?
Is fake.
Assutoss, first point is, listen Assutoss, I am asking you as one reasonable person, hopefully to another. Assutoss, I am asking you as one reasonable person, hopefully to another.
That a journalist like you indulging into polemics, and that too, when the matter is in the court, it is sub judice. So please mind your words, what you are saying, uttering over here.
Mr. Assutoss, now you know one thing. 1 second, please. Assutoss, now you heard me. Now I heard you. I heard you, now you hear me. I heard you, now you hear me, Assutoss. Assutoss, I heard you and now you hear me.
Something wrong with you.
Now Assutoss, this whole mind it approach to me. You know, when you were a journalist, these threats from politicians don't matter. Now that you are a politician, you should be more than aware that these threats will not matter. Go file whatever case you want.
Can you pronounce a judgment? Can you
answer why a person, why there is a discrepancy in roll numbers? Can you tell me why there is a discrepancy in phone roll numbers? Can you answer why the name of the college is handwritten on the BSc degree? Can you tell me that everybody except Assutoss is lying? It's okay, Assutoss, tell me this. Is Tilak Manji University?
You are not a judge. You are simply an editor and an anchor. You are not a judge.
Will you teach me my job? Will you teach me my job? Will you teach me my job? I know my job and I will do it, Mr. Assutoss. I do not need your certificate or your license. Are you telling me?
You are transgressing your jurisdiction.
Don't teach me the jurisdiction of my profession, Assutoss. The day I start learning the jurisdiction of Lakshman Rekha of journalism from you, I'll have to change my profession. I am a journalist and unlike you, I have no pretensions of ever wanting to be in politics. You answer my question, Assutoss.
I take strong offense what you are saying. You are not
Assutoss, this is not a personal debate.
These documents.
Assutoss, it's all right. You're backing someone who's allegedly forged this certificate. I know it's an uncomfortable situation for you.
I'm telling you, you cannot usurp the power of a court. You cannot usurp the power of a court. It is only the court of law can pronounce whether the certificate.
No, just one. Assutoss, I appreciate. I must place on record. Now, 1 second, please.
You take back your words. You take back your words. You take back your words. How can you pronounce the certificates?
Assutoss, I appreciate the display of fake anger.
These certificates are real.
I appreciate your efforts.
Will you apologize?
I won't.
Will you apologize, Mr. Arnan Goswami?
Assutoss, answer my questions, Assutoss. Assutoss, answer my questions.
No.
Answer my questions.
Are you judged to
answer my questions, Assutoss? Why are you getting so perturbed?
How can you usurp the power of a court?
Okay, don't be so perturbed. Okay, I have one thing to say to you, Assutoss. Now, Assutoss, don't keep repeating yourself. I have something to say to you.
You say sorry.
I'm not going to say sorry. You know me. I'm not going to say sorry for asking you that whether why somebody has 2 roll numbers. I should apologize. I'll ask the question again, by the way. How does a certificate have 2 roll numbers? Answer the question. How is it that Tilak Manji University is Tilak Manji University, which has dismissed Tomar's provisional LLB certificate? Should they also apologize to you? Is Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University, which has dismissed Tomar's BSc certificate as fake? Should they apologize to you? The Bar Council of India should apologize to you. Everyone should apologize to you. Who do you think you are, Assutoss? You are the assistant to the dictator-in-chief of India.
Mr. Arnan Goswami, I think you are a sensible person.
So do I. I used to think you were as well. Anyway, I'll get the others into the debate. It's not between you and me, Assutoss.
You cannot decide whether these documents are
It's all right. Assutoss.
You cannot decide
Assutoss, hello.
Mr. Arnan
1 second.
You cannot decide that.
Assutoss, what has gone wrong with you tonight? What's wrong with you? Assutoss, 1 second.
What is wrong with you, Mr. Arnan?
What is wrong with you tonight? The position you are taking is akin to the UPA letting of A. Raja. Did Arvind Kejriwal ask for A. Raja's resignation? Did Arvind Kejriwal ask for Kalmadi's resignation?
Answer my question.
Did you ask for Dayanidhi Maran's resignation? Answer me tonight. You answer me tonight. On what basis were you asking for A. Raja Kalmadi and Raja's resignation? Were you trying to obfuscate the legal process then? Were you trying to obfuscate the legal process then, Ashutosh? You answer me. You answer me, Ashutosh. You answer me. The only action that the Aam Aadmi Party has taken over serious allegations is an explanation. The only allegation. Now listen to me, Ashutosh. Listen to me, Ashutosh. This is not between you and me, but you'll have to listen to me, Ashutosh. You'll have to listen to me for a while. You'll have to listen to me for a while. Mr. Ashutosh, listen to me for a while. Listen to me for a while. I do not need to understand the laws of journalism from a politician. I do not need to learn the laws of journalism from a politician. You are a politician and I am a judge. Listen to the question. Unless you are intimidated by the truth. If you are intimidated by the truth, you can tell me, Ashutosh. But if you are not intimidated by the truth, have the courage tonight to listen to my question and hopefully have the sagacity to answer. Mr. Ashutosh, I have not asked my question. You cannot answer a question which has not been asked. I am asking you tonight, Ashutosh. On October 11, 2012, Arvind Kejriwal says this about Salman Khurshid, who, by the way, the case went in his favor later. He said, in a nation, does a law minister who forges signatures of officials and steals funds of the handicapped deserve to stay on? So in the same breath, the people of India, not the people of Delhi, will ask you today, Ashutosh, does a law minister in Delhi alleged to have forged and fabricated degrees deserve to stay on? The allegation, it was alleged against Salman Khurshid, then later proved to be incorrect. Today the same allegation is there against your law minister. Your claim is that the matter is sub judice. Did you wait for the charge sheets to be filed or the court to give any orders when you named a list of 20 people who you said were corrupt in January 2014? You've forgotten what your position was then, Ashutosh, and you are here to teach me the Lakshman Rekha of journalism. First ask yourself the Lakshman Rekha of morality in politics, Ashutosh.